Okay, to bind off and close up the back of the bill, you're going to find the spot where the orange yarn joins, and you're going to put your crochet hook, I have a size G crochet, put it through both loops. Get the waste yarn out of the way. Put this through both loops. Single crochet through both loops, chain one, and then work your way down. Single crochet through both sides, chain one, and then you keep going down all the way across, and that will bind it off and join both sides together. Then when you get to the end, you just fasten off, but leave yourself about 12 inches so that you can sew it together, and then you remove your waste yarn. Okay, to stiffen up your duck bill a little bit, this is the bottom bill, this is the top bill. Just mark some cardboard. And then I'm going to cut inside the lines so it's a little bit smaller than the duck bill is. Now you're going to insert your cardboard into the duck bill. This is the top, and then pull it tight, and then you're going to close that up so it closes up. Same thing for the bottom one, to give you a little bit of stiffness when you sew it onto the front of the duck. And you can trim these down a little bit more if you find that you cut them wrong. Okay. There's your duck bill. The top and the bottom. Now you're going to sew the edges together. And then you're going to sew that to the middle of the duck's face.